Hello students, today we'll look at another IGCSE maths question, and today's question is from 2023 October-November sitting paper 4. So let's head to the question. Looking at this question, it's a right angle triangle. They want you to find the value of W. So you have three lengths. It's a right angle triangle. You'll be able to use Pythagoras theorem to find T. Let's do that first. So we know a square plus b square equals to c square. We know this is a, this is b, and this is c. For those who don't know, how we get these values is side of right angle is always c, the other two is a and b. So let's use the formula to find value t. So looking at my working, firstly, when we expand this bracket, okay, and we put all of the like terms together, we will get 3t squared plus 12t minus 16 equals to 0. So putting this into your calculator, you'll get 2t values, and we would reject this negative value because a length can't be negative. So we'll take the positive value as our t value. Okay, so once we get our values of t, we will replace it into the triangle above to get our exact line values. So using t as 1.055, we will get the values of 5.11 cm and 1.055 cm. So next is to find the angle value W. So how do we do this? So if you remember SOHCAHTOA, what are these formulas? So we use sine, cos, and tangent relating to the lengths of the triangle. So we have three basic lengths. So it's normally O, A, and H. So how we get O, A, and H is based on the angle that we are finding for. So since we are finding for W, whatever is opposite the angle is the opposite length. Whatever is beside is A, and whatever is opposite the right angle is H. So for this example, I'm going to use K. So I will get formula of cos W equals to 5 over 5.11. So solving this question will get me an answer for angle W, which is 11.9.